Okay, we're given this fairly lengthy description of this, but all the things that you need are actually in the diagram. That this is 55 degrees, 12 feet is the diameter, and 20 feet is the height. So the question that we're asked is, which of the following is closest to the length in feet of the support rope? All right, so we need this. And then we're given these values of sine, cosine, and tangent at 55. So we know we're dealing with this, and we're trying to find this value here. So we're told that the height of this is 20, so we know that this side is 20 feet, and we have this. So the things that we're trying to find, we're given that this is 20, so that would be the opposite side. This is going to be the right angle. So we've got an opposite there, and then the side opposite the hypotenuse, the right angle is the hypotenuse. So we have the opposite, and we're trying to find the hypotenuse, and SOHCAHTOA, opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So we know we're dealing with sine 55 degrees equals opposite, which is the 20, over the hypotenuse, which is x. So now we have to try and isolate x. And the quick way to do it is actually you just switch places here, the x and the sine 55. I'll show you the quick way to do it. These just switch places. And so you get x equals 20 over sine 55 degrees, and that would be x equals 20 over 0.82, and let me see, that equals, if I can switch this on quickly, 20 times 0.82, and that gives us 20 divided by 20 even, divided by 0.82, things not to do in the exam, gives us 24.4, so it's closest to 24, and that's answer choice F. If you don't remember this little trick, I just did, or not trick, it's just a quick way of doing it, and you get to sine 55 degrees equals 20 over x. How you get x on its own is that you would divide, you would multiply both sides by x, and you would, so that would get rid of the, we'll try to get rid of the denominator, so that would get rid of that, so we'd get x sine 55 degrees equals 20, and then x is multiplied by sine 55 degrees here, so now to get x on its own we have to divide by sine 55 degrees, and that would go and that would go, and we'd end up with the same thing, x equals 20 over sine 55 degrees. But if you get to here and you recognize this, then a quick way to do it is you just flip them, and that will get you the same answer. So there is answer choice F.